Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and I've got the 12-day holiday countdown by NYX. This is what it looks like. It's taken me a while to get this advent calendar. If you haven't already seen, I posted up a video a couple of weeks ago. It's quite funny, but it's annoying as hell. This advent calendar was available on the very website. I bought it, and instead of receiving the advent calendar, I received a set of 3 NYX lipsticks. I thought, oh, okay then, they've made a mistake. I ordered it again, sent the lipsticks back. I received another set of lipsticks. I was like, what the heck? What is going on here? And anyway, I did it a few times, and I even ordered from Littlewoods, which is more expensive than Very. I just ordered it out of curiosity more than anything. And yes, there is obviously a code issue because I had the same 3 lipsticks. So I thought, right, I'm not going to order a NYX advent calendar off them again. I've had enough now of going back to the post office, sending the lipsticks back. Funnily enough, on the Very website, they haven't got this advent calendar anymore. So obviously they've had lots of complaints, I'm assuming. Anyway, cut a long story short, spotted this on Look Fantastic, and you can get it there for £45. Now, looking at the products on the back, I'm not expecting this to be a wow advent calendar, but I always get a NYX advent calendar. I've been doing the advent calendar series for a couple of years now, and I used to love it when they used to do the lipstick vaults. Do you remember those? I loved the lipsticks, and I loved those advent calendars. But the last year, 2 years maybe, their advent calendars haven't been on par as what they previously used to be. I am waiting for the 24-day or 25-day advent calendar. I haven't spotted that one yet. But this one, the 12-day one, is a mixed advent calendar. So we've got some lipsticks, some setting sprays, some eyeshadows. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, then as always, you'll find details down below in my description, as well as any information about any giveaways I've got currently running, and offers and discount codes and things like that. You'll find it all listed down below, so check out my description. But yeah, let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside the 12-day advent calendar. Okay, starting off, day number 1. Ooh, easy to get out so far. We've got a HD eyeshadow base, and we've got 4.7 mils there. It's an eyeshadow base. If you've tried any of these, please let me know your thoughts. Quite creamy. It doesn't create like a mattifying effect on the skin, but it does create more of an even surface, and it's a little bit tacky, which is good for eyeshadows to stick to. But yeah, so that's day number 1. Day number 2, this is easy. They're next to each other. We've got an eyeshadow. This is Peppermint Shimmer. There's nothing wrong with these eyeshadows at all. When I have singular shadows like this, I just don't tend to grab them. Oh, see, there's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. It is beautiful. Really, really gorgeous shade. But yeah, if it was in like a little palette, then I'm more likely to grab it. Or what I should do, if there's a few of them in here, just get some super glue and stick the bases to each other. I'll use it then. Okay, day number 3. Oh, we've got a lipstick. We've got a soft matte lip cream, and it's 4.7 mils, and we've got it in cans. I had a favourite shade, Tres Leches. I'm not sure if that was the right pronunciation. Oh my gosh, I loved it. It's a gorgeous sort of pinky nude shade. I absolutely fell in love with it. I got that from an advent calendar. It's discontinued, and I haven't found anything similar since. If you know of a lipstick similar to Tres Leches, Tres Leches, and please let me know. Yeah, I love their mattes. They stay put really well. Okay, day number 4, going over here for another lipstick. We got a butter gloss this time. Again, 4.7 mils, and we've got Creme Brulee. Now these are familiar, these names. I'm sure we've had these in last year's advent calendar. I haven't got last year's advent calendar, have I? No, this is definitely this year's advent calendar. The reason I'm saying that is because a lot of the beauty websites were selling last year's advent calendar, making you think that it was this year's advent calendar, but it wasn't. So no. I'm sure we had Creme Brulee and cans in last year. I'm going to have to rewatch my video. Not something I do often. but just out of curiosity. Yeah, I love that colour as well. Really nice. Day number 5 over here. And we've got another eyeshadow. This is Sleigh Bells. See? Really nice shade. There's that. Day number 6 over here. Oh, we've got a spray. This is a matte finish makeup setting spray. There's 18 mils here and it says it sets up to 16 hours. Oh, whoa, that's quite a hefty one. Hold on. Oh my god. That's a shot out then. I'm going to try it. Hold on. Ooh. I'm nervous. It's so silly. Ooh. Flipping Nora, you wouldn't want to put that on your face. If you've got lots of makeup on your face, I think I just squirted that all over my hair as well. That is a hefty spray. You need to hold it far away and then just like or spray it in the air and then run into it maybe, or else it could ruin your makeup. That is bonkers. I was going to say that I used to love their Dewy setting spray. That was gorgeous, really gorgeous. That is a really powerful spray. Oh my gosh. Okay, day number 7 down here. Got another lipstick and we've got a soft matte lip cream. Again, 4.7 mils, Abu Dhabi. It's an alright colour. Not my favourite. I prefer these. But yeah. That. Day number 8 down here. Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, 6 mils. I remember one year NYX had an advent calendar. I'm sure it's the disco one. It looked really cool and I'm sure everything was full size. Like 24 or 25 products were all full size. That was amazing. That was really, really good. But this one is £45 for all minis. £45. How much did they used to be? All advent calendars have gone up, haven't they? It's just crazy this year. People are saving their monies. They don't want to be wasting it, which is completely understandable with the way things are at the moment, isn't it? That's really pretty. Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Yeah, just a little tiny bit is all you need, really. Day number 9 over here. Got another lipstick. This is a butter gloss and this is Tiramisu. All of these names are really familiar. I know I've had them before in different NYX advent calendars, but I'm sure in last year's. I'll stop going on about it now. I will stop. Something a little bit different. More pinky than what I usually wear, but I still wear that. Day number 10 over here. And we've got a HD finishing powder, a mineral based powder, and there's 3.3 grams there. There. Feels nice. I'm sure I've tried it before. I have had it before, but I can't remember what my thoughts were on it. There's that. Day number 11 down here. And we've got a Dewy spray, although it looks different to the one I've had. So we've had a matte spray. This is a Dewy spray. Setting spray. Lasts up to 16 hours. What's this one like? Oh, I don't think that one's as bad. No, that one's not as bad as the other one. How weird. Yeah, I like that. If it's the same, it must be the same as what I used to buy, but just different packaging. And then day number 12, down over here. And we've got an eyeshadow. This is Gingerbread House. And you can see on my hand there at the top. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's NYX 12-day advent calendar. We've got 2 soft matte lip creams. We've got 2 butter glosses. We've got 2 setting sprays. We've got 3 eyeshadows. We've got setting powder, liquid illuminator, and an eyeshadow base. I was hoping that there would be more variation. I'm definitely going to check back on last year's video to see if the lipsticks are the same as what we had last year. But I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you bought it for yourself? Or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.